What's that noise?
Here are the units. First up, we got a Coleman. I don't know what it's from.
Data sheets.
Oh, wait, no, it's not. Okay. Ooh, interesting serial and model number. Okay, this is a 3-ton, and it is from 2007. We got, yeah, so that's a 3-ton. Here we got a, oh. Okay, so here we have a, another 3-ton. This one is from 2012. 1 year older than mine. Well, that one was running. Yeah, I heard this one kick on from like 2 feet away. Something tells me it's a heat. Oh, it's not. What? Why are they running it in the wintertime? Oh, this one has a Bristol. This one, I do not know how to read these. I'm gonna try. 19,000 BTU. I don't think that exists. 6 of 92. Sorry about that. That really scared me. Alright. Here is, okay, this one is it's another 3-ton. It is from 2013. Okay, here's the Evcon. Right here. That one's still going. I heard that one keep going. Dude, this, oh, what? That has, oh, it's sweet. That has a Copeland. Okay, this one is a 2-ton, and it's from 2017. I think this actually replaced the door cooler. Got this one here. This one shakes. Okay. This is a 36, why am I holding it here? This is a 36,000 BTU. I'm just looking at them because I like them. I know. Oh, here, this one just went off. And I just got busted. Okay, yep. So what compressor does? Okay, this one has a Bristol. Here's the Coleman. This is from my. I know. This is my Discord profile photo. Okay, this one is a 24,000. Wait, what? I can't tell if it's a 42. Okay, it's probably a 42,000 BTU. And this is from 2020. Don't know how to read it. Don't know how to read these things. That's bad. This is a 42,000 BTU from 2019. Here's my favorite one. Holy, it actually uses a Bristol. No way. All right, okay. This is a 30,000 BTU, and it's from 2016. Nice. Since first year. I don't know what that one is. I know it's a Weather King though. Hack job. Wow, that's awesome. Oh wait, it's here. This is a 36,000 BTU and it is from 2009. Okay. All right, out.